Alright guys, we're gonna be driving around today in the neighborhood because we are currently in a hurricane in California. So let's go. GoPro, no fancy equipment needed. Oh, water's in the creek. Can we go take a look? Alright guys, we're gonna go take a look at the creek. I think I know a way around. Let's do that way. Could be no snakes. We don't know that. I gotta be really careful, guys. Don't worry, I am under adult supervision. Yeah, so you can see down there. There is running water and fast. Alright, let's head up. Hi, Zion! Wow! Hi, puppy! It's a very good way to get bit. Yeah, we do have rattlesnakes out here. And I am drenched right now. We are literally completely drenched right now. This hurricane's bad, yeah. We've gone through a little bit of this stuff. Hi, puppy. Can I put Zion in the back? Alright, Zion's going in the back. Zion. Good boy. You're a good boy. Alright, you want to close the trunk? I'm soaked right now.
So is the car.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the water's also running too. tell me where you live in whatever state. Love to